In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and things like this. This is our Instagram, right? So click on this create, click on this post, right? Click on select from computer. I can just pick this picture, right? Click on the open, click on the next, click on the next, right? So I think in my previous video, I actually told you that there are two ways you can mention someone on Instagram, right? The very first way is you typing in something here, then you're gonna click at the art, right? Then you're gonna type in the person's username, right? Then the second one is probably if you and the person like snapped in the picture, right? Or you have the person picture attached to your own picture, right? You can just come on to this place, click photo to tag people, right? Click on it. If there is someone that is actually in the picture and you love to tag him alongside with you in this video, right? Just come on here, you can type in the person's name, right? So let's say if me and Trevone snap this picture right now, like if he's somewhere beside me, yeah, this is when you can actually do this, right? But if he's not with me, I don't think there's any reason for you to do that, right? So that is basically the second way on how you can do that. Remember, the first way is for you to actually come on here and use the art, right? And the second way is if you and the person actually snapped, you can come on here and do this as well. This is basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the very next video.